In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use OpenStreetMap, OSM, data in Lumion 2025 for your site modeling and visualization. First of all, you'll need to make sure that Lumion is installed and running properly on your computer. If you already have it set up, then great, let's dive right into the process. To begin creating your scene, let's start with a simple and clean setup by choosing a plain background for the base environment. This helps keep the focus on the OpenStreetMap data we're going to import. Once you're in the main interface, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll find a button labeled OSM, which stands for OpenStreetMap. This feature allows you to import real-world map data directly into your Lumion project. Click on the OSM button, and after a brief moment, a new panel will appear. This panel will let you search for a specific location and define the area you want to bring into your project. Keep in mind that depending on your internet speed and system performance, it might take a few seconds for the map data to load properly. After the OSM panel has loaded, the next step is to choose your specific area of interest. You can do this by typing the location or manually navigating the map. In this example, I'll be using the area around Swinburne University, focusing on the surrounding buildings and site context. This will help us create a realistic base model for visualization and further design work. Before importing, make sure to tick both the height map and satellite map options. Enabling these will add terrain elevation and satellite imagery, giving your project a more natural and realistic appearance. Once those settings are selected, adjust the import boundaries by zooming in or dragging the corners of the selection box to focus on your specific site. This ensures that you're only importing the area you actually need, which helps keep your project organized and performance-friendly. Once the loading process is complete, the buildings and surrounding environment will appear in your Lumion project. This imported map will serve as the foundation for placing and rendering your design within a realistic site context. To render your project, start by clicking on the camera button within Lumion's interface. From there, you can capture one or multiple scenes, selecting the best angles and perspectives that showcase your design within its environment. Take your time to position the camera carefully, ensuring the composition highlights key features of your project. Once your scenes are set, don't forget to explore and apply various visual effects available in Lumion. These effects can include adjustments to lighting, shadows, color grading, reflections, and atmospheric elements like fog or depth of field. Applying these enhancements will add depth and realism to your renderings, making them more engaging and visually striking. Finally, customize the style settings to match your personal or project-specific preferences, whether that means a photorealistic look or a more artistic, stylized approach. By thoughtfully combining camera placement, effects, and style, you can create renders that truly stand out and effectively communicate your design vision. And finally, after you've finished applying your preferred style and effects, you can save your render by choosing from various file size and quality options to suit your needs. Whether it's a high-resolution image or a compressed file for quick sharing, Lumion offers flexibility to export your work exactly how you want it. That's all from me for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found it helpful.